to OCR PDF with UPDF. Open your target file in UPDF. Go to Tools and click OCR. If this is your first time using UPDF OCR, a prompt will appear to install it. You'll see 3 document type options. Editable PDF saves recognized text and images. File size is smaller, but the layout may differ slightly from the original. Text and images only keeps background images and illustrations with recognized text overlaid. File size is larger, and the layout may differ slightly. Searchable PDF keeps the original page image with recognized text hidden underneath, visually almost identical to the original. From the drop-down, choose one of 38 available languages. Set the page range or select pages manually. Click Convert, and your PDF is successfully OCR, ready for editing. Download UPDF now and try it for free.